Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off NFC on Samsung Galaxy A27. Okay, it's really easy. Simply open up the quick notification settings, and here scroll a little bit to the downside. And if you don't see the NFC icon in here, don't worry, we just gotta edit manually. So hit the edit button, click on edit. Keep scrolling down, click on add control, and in here we need to find the NFC. Tap on that. You can, for example, add it to your quick settings menu in here. Release. Then click on done. Expand a little bit, and now we have the NFC. Currently it's toggled on. If you want to toggle it off, simply tap once again. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.